Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation, so let's check it out. This is a newer generation that released this year, like a couple months ago, so that's cool. Ooh, it is bigger. So this is supposed to be bigger than the 3rd generation, and this is supposed to have bigger speakers and stuff, which is really cool. So this has Bluetooth, 3.5 millimeter line out, microphone on off button, hands free with Alexa, and yeah, the design looks pretty cool on the box. And they also keep the same consistent blue sort of aesthetic with the box as well. So that's pretty cool. So let's check out what's inside. Right. Same style. Ooh. So first thing you see, there's the app. You should download the app to connect it. And then there's the Echo Dot. You plug it into the wall and you do whatever you do with it. Okay. So they did lay it out in this sort of nice layout. So the one I ordered is blue because the blue one looks better to me, obviously. And then let's just get this out. Same old massive plug. This is like a huge 15 watt plug. And then we also have this, not a USB-C connector. You would expect a USB-C these days and a battery inside at the least, but this is just a proprietary connector from Amazon. Okay. Oh, this has some hefty weight to it. That's cool. And then we have product information, random stuff. That's all. Okay. So this does have some pretty good weight to it, so that's nice. I like things that have a nice weight to it, so you can actually it feels like you actually bought something. So let's get this out. Wow. So this is a really nice spherical design. There's also a sort of circular rubber pad down here with a number pad. Well, I mean not a number pad. Product information and serial numbers. This is all fabric, which is really nice. It feels pretty good. We have a mute button, volume up, volume down, and we also have, I believe that's the wake button or something, action button. Most of this body is just plastic, so it may look like metal on the Alexa page. I mean, on the Amazon page, but it's just all plastic. And then we have the power connector. There's the 3.5 millimeter headphone line out, and light would be down here. So that's an interesting choice of design. Instead of putting the light up here, they put the light down there. So that's pretty interesting. So I'll connect this to my phone, and we'll see how this works. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys the setup and how it can set up, and hopefully it'll be quick. So just plug this in. And that should go into setup mode, I believe. And this does have a 1.6 inch speaker, so that's pretty cool. I mean, I would kind of expect it to be bigger. I don't know what they put into this thing. And this is also recycled plastic. So if you want to save the environment, that's pretty cool. And this is also, the container itself is also a recycled wood. So this is all environmentally friendly.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola, vamos a empezar. Installa la app d'Alexa y sigue las instrucciones. Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
That's cool. They put it in multiple languages, I should say. Alright. Yes, it is. Mm-hmm. select your Wi-Fi network. Still loading. Hopefully this will be pretty quick. Alright, it is connecting. The device is nearby. Alright, so this does connect to the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. That means
your Echo is ready.
That means it should also connect to the 4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so that's pretty cool. I mean 2 gigahertz, 2.5 gigahertz. So let's just put bedroom, continue. I don't want to do that right now. Yes. And then let's stop this. Continue. Alright, that's great. So that's how simple it is. It's just a couple of clicks. You just make sure the Wi-Fi is connected properly, and yeah, that was actually pretty quick. Alright, so now let's do some speaker testing. So hopefully it sounds pretty good. So let's begin with something like, Alexa, tell me a fun fact.
Air Force One doesn't refer to a specific aircraft. Rather, it's the call sign for any aircraft that happens to be carrying the U.S. president at the time.
Oh wow. So if some random broken down aircraft was carrying the US president, I could call that Air Force One. That's weird. So that's actually pretty cool. The bass, I feel like it's kind of low. We're gonna test that out. Alexa, tell me another fun fact.
The sky is blue, as is the ocean. But ancient cultures did not have a word for blue. In fact, it was the last major color to be named in language. It first appeared some 6,000 years ago, after humans developed blue pigments and dyes from stones and plants.
That's interesting. Blue is like the most popular color. The sky is blue, the ocean is blue, the boxes are blue, everything is blue, and it's like the last color to be named. Alright, so let's test out the speaker a little bit to see how it sounds with the song. So, Alexa, play Candyland by Tobu.
Candyland by Tobu on Amazon Music.
Okay, that actually sounds pretty good. The bass is really nice and loud, and then the mids are the mids, obviously, and the highs are actually pretty nice sounding, so that's cool. But these things, you should be able to basically control your entire house. You should be able to connect your front door camera, your light bulb switch. You can monitor for thieves around your house, and you can do so many things with these. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna test the latency with the plug. I do have the Amazon Smart Plug connected right now, so hopefully that goes actually pretty quickly. So Alexa, turn off the plug, and that should.
Okay.
Okay, that actually is really quick. Alexa, turn on the plug.
Okay.
That's actually really quick. I really like that. There's like 0.1 second of latency, so that's great. Alright, so here we have a closer look at the Echo Dot 4. It looks pretty cool, and then at the bottom we have a rubber base, and there's also a plastic middle. That's blocked. That's not how it actually looks like, but that's my own piece of paper. And then we have the light ring around it, which is actually pretty small in circumference, but it actually looks pretty cool. And then we have the recycled plastic, and there's the nice fabric. The speaker does fire upward from right here. I believe there's like an opening here. So the speaker fires upward so you can hear every single word it says. And then we have the 4 buttons, the mute, the volume up, the volume down, and the action button. So there is a design flaw. When you press the button, the fabric sort of goes down a little bit. I'm not a really huge fan, and you could, especially for the -1, you could feel like in a circle. There's like a loose fabric there. But that's not that big of a deal. But other than that, it looks pretty cool. Thank you for watching. I'm AB, and also don't forget to check out my merch and a product link in the description down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. I hope I'll see you in the next one.